What's going on? Welcome to K.A.E Sports Talk. If you can give me the HKO special, hit the like, subscribe, and comment. All right, so let's get into this. We're going to talk about the Meralco boats and rain or shine. And it had to go to overtime for the win. So let's get into this highlights right here. So let's go, let's go. And yep, full screen it. And here we go. Start with the first quarter. Okay. So first quarter, yep. So there they go. There's Cliff Hodge. Okay, no problem. Okay, Cliff Hodge sets it to Maliski. And yep, Maliski again. Bang. And then, yep, Nokum picks Black's back pocket. Boom, there they go. Okay, another three. Here we go from Big Man Taurus. So, yep, Meralco's up. So Meralco was just killing it. 54 to 44, up by 10. Then Centillion comes back. So you think, oh, Meralco's ahead. But then here comes some threes. So I'm thinking, okay, it's not over. And then rain or shine. Yep, there's the hard foul. So it's a 6-point game. Yeah. So Meralco again, scoring again. They're up by 2. So third quarter. So Meralco up by 3. So now here they go. Boom, it's 80 to 80. Then it's 82 to 82. Then it's 86. It just doesn't stop. And then Belga. Big boy Belga. And then there's Quinto. Liski. So look at this. Yeah, just back and forth. And guess what? Are we gonna go to overtime? Maybe. So 98. And here we see Newsom fouled out. Maliski again. So we were still tied. Then there's Centillion. Centillion can't get it. So now we're in 105. Then the boats, Quinto took it. And they just wanted to go with Quinto the whole time. And then pretty much Meralco took it to him. Yep. Even if Rain or Shine made an effort, Maliski. So there they go, Maliski. So that's where it went. And that's how this series goes. So, yep. So, went into overtime. Yep, for 2 nights in a row. So, we'll see if there's a third overtime for the next game. All right. So, if you enjoyed any of this content, please give me the HKO special help to game. Hit the like, subscribe, and comment. So, other than that, I will see you in my next video.